There you are. We didn't think you're gonna find room in the van. We're going camping. Kathy's with me. Abby's with me. We all want to go camping. Do you want to come with us? You do? Great. We'll make room somewhere for you. Well, maybe not. All right, that took some work. We got Abby's little bungalow right over here.
Hi.
Wow, you got it looking nice in here. Mm-hmm. You comfy?
Yeah.
All right, you did a good job in here. Thank you for all your help.
Yeah.
All right, babe.
Yes.
Thank you for your help. You are a trooper. And I love you. All right, next order of business, water. Water?
Big importance.
Yeah, we need water. Let's go get some water. So that seems like a workout. I'm tired. Bedtime. Oh. All right. Let's get the rest of this camp set up, huh? All right, let's get some wood. I don't know about you, but sometimes I just don't feel like getting firewood. Buying it's a lot easier sometimes. Put one up here like this.
Yep.
This. Yeah. All right, babe, what's for dinner?
Brisket burgers.
Brisket burgers. What the heck is a brisket burger? Oh good, it has the fat on it too. All right, so our job here is simple. We got to cut this up kind of like we're grinding it, but we'll just use knives and just mash it up really good, and maybe that'll work. We'll see. All right, now that we're waiting for the fire to burn down so we can get to the coals and cook, we're gonna get some giant French fries ready. Are you gonna peel them, or are we gonna keep the...
Keep the peels right on.
All right.
It should be enough. What do you think?
I think it's enough. All right, so our food's prepped. Now we just gotta wait for the fire. All right, looks like fishing's definitely off the table tonight. It just gets dark so fast now. This is the end of September, and we have just as much daylight as darkness now, and that kind of puts a hamper on the camping activities. When we go camping in July in Michigan, in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, it usually stays dark till about, it usually stays light till about, what, 10 o'clock at night. Ooh, look at this view. Look at that lake. That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Ooh, good eye. Show the camera. Show the folks at home. Good eye. Is that dry?
Yep.
Does it feel dry?
Yep.
All right. Nice job. That's why it's important to carry a bag around like that. We're like possums. We see something that we could use while we're on our walk, we just put it in the bag. It's pretty shallow up here, but about 20 feet out there, it just goes straight down to 60 foot deep. There is a hole there that is full of trout. At least it was the last time I was out here. And brown trout. Delicious. Check out what Abigail found. Good eye. Just get the dry stuff though.
Okay.
You can just pull it right up. Yep, just like that. Good job. How are we doing in here?
Good.
Ooh, look at that. We're doing good. All right, shall we get some more of this stuff? This stuff looks kind of like right here.
Yeah.
This looks plenty dry.
Yeah.
See, we won't use these tonight, but next trip maybe, next trip after that, maybe 3 trips. Ooh, look at that yellow too. Oh, you got some right there. That's pretty. How you doing there?
Good.
Oh, that's pretty. Such a thoughtful kid.
Thank you.
Thank you for being thoughtful. You're awesome.
Aww. Thank you.
Yeah.
And we got a bunch of fire starter.
Yay.
Look at all that. She found most of those.
Wow.
Yeah, she's awesome.
Good job.
Thank you.
We go put that in my backpack. Well, this didn't turn out right. I guess we'll have to get a grinder. I guess when it's ground, it's one of the best burgers around. They're delicious. All right, we got a problem. The oil's not quite hot enough to fry the potatoes, deep fry. We'll put it on the stove. We're losing daylight. How those giant French fries coming? Oh yeah, propane. That's gonna be good. Hey babe, wasn't this the campsite where we were sitting out right here around the campfire and we had an empty box by the fire? And then we looked down and the raccoon was sitting in it looking up at us? Yeah. I swear it was like one of our pets. It just came right into camp and sat right next to us and just looked like he wanted to be fed. It's like one of our dogs. It's the weirdest thing. It's like, get out of here. What are you doing, Abby?
I'm roasting a hot dog.
You're roasting a hot dog. Cooking dinner?
Mm-hmm.
Your dinner, right?
Yeah.
Is it done?
Almost.
You did a pretty good job with that.
Thank you.
Let me see that. Perfection, folks. She's even twirling it for us. Perfection. Give me that hot dog. Give me that hot dog. That's your hot dog, huh?
Mm-hmm.
One perfect hot dog. These were supposed to be hamburgers. Now they're chunks of meat. I knew we didn't cut them enough, but that was hard work. That was taking forever, and I knew we weren't going to get it. I saw Wooded Beardsman do that with I think it was a beaver, and he chopped it all up with knives and he just kept cutting at it and cutting at it, and he turned it into a hamburger, and he made hamburgers out of it, and they were perfect hamburgers. I was trying to do that. Chris, I failed. Look at my burgers. All right, more like Sloppy Joe's. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
It's so good. That's good.
Yummy.
It's good meat.
Mm.
You get some ketchup with your hot dog? Or some hot dog with your ketchup? How's your hot dog? Made it perfect? Thanks for watching another video. We're going to bed.